Welcome to our Cybersecurity Tips series. Today, we're focusing on managing passwords, a crucial step in keeping your online information safe, are like locks on our doors. Just as you want to keep your house safe, protecting your online information is essential. Let's explore why strong passwords are vital. Best practices for passwords include creating strong passwords with at least 12 characters, mixing upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Consider using passphrases and never reuse old passwords. Using multi-factor authentication, or MFA, adds an extra layer of security. After entering your password, a code is sent to a secondary device for verification. This second step ensures even if someone has your password, they can't access your account without the additional code. To manage multiple accounts, use a password manager. It securely stores and generates passwords for you. All you need is one strong master password, and the manager handles the rest. Take control of your cybersecurity by implementing these practices. Use strong passwords, a reliable password manager, and enable MFA on your accounts. We all play a role in cybersecurity. By following these tips, you can protect your online information effectively. Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.